Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025 and need to transfer your XDC tokens from a Tangem wallet to Binance, this quick guide is perfect for you. XDC is a fast-growing cryptocurrency, and moving it securely is essential for trading or storing your assets. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do it with confidence. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device and that your wallet is properly set up and funded with XDC. Also, ensure your Binance account is verified and ready to receive deposits. Security is key, so double-check everything before proceeding. Step 1. Open the Tangem Wallet app and log in using your secure credentials. Once inside, navigate to your asset list and select XDC. This will show you your balance and give you options to send or transfer. Step 2. Tap on the Send or Transfer button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. Don't worry, we'll get that next. Step 3. Switch over to your Binance app or website. Log in, go to your wallet section and search for XDC. Click on Deposit for XDC, and Binance will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy this address carefully. Mistakes here can lead to lost funds. Step 4. Back in Tangem, paste the Binance address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XDC you want to send, and make sure to select the correct network, like the XDC network, to avoid any errors. Step 5. Review all the details on the screen, including fees and the final amount. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You might need to verify it with a PIN or biometric auth for extra security. Once sent, monitor your Binance account for the XDC to appear. It usually takes a few minutes, but could be longer depending on network traffic. Pro tip: always use official apps, keep your private keys safe, and start with a small test transfer if you're new to this. And there you have it. Your XDC is now on its way to Binance. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.